Hi everyone. I want to show you how to work VoiceThread. It's a nice tool that we have that will allow us to be able to talk with each other just like we're in a classroom, regular classroom during the semester. So in your week 1 introductory materials module, you'll see this circle with a VT in it. That stands for VoiceThread, and that means you have a VoiceThread assignment. So I'm going to click on it just to show you how it works. It's really easy. You see it's loading. You don't have to do anything for this to happen. You don't have to create an account because you're logged into Blackboard. It automatically opens for you. And you see the assignment is introduce yourself. So you click the big play button and you see that for this assignment, there's just this page here that tells you what to do. Now, in some cases, there may be a slideshow there. There may be a video there. But in this case, simple instructions that say, tell us who you are, what you're studying here, your education and career goals, and anything else you'd like to share. Just like, if we were in a regular classroom on the first day of class, we'd be telling each other about ourselves. So that kind of thing. And you see that whenever I move my mouse, there's a small plus button down here at the bottom. If I hover directly over it, you'll see that it's activated. So click that plus. And you have some options. You have text, phone, microphone, camera, and upload. For this assignment, you'll be using the camera, but you do have other options for future assignments, like typing a comment. You can use your phone for audio by calling in. Now, I realize that some of you may be using your phone for the video, which is fine. But this is if you were calling in from a phone to make a comment. Microphone, there may be some assignments when you don't want us to see you, but you don't mind us hearing you. So that will be an option in the future. Again, for this time, use this one. The upload is a way that you can upload slide presentations or documents, that sort of thing that you want to share with the class. Also, you could probably upload a video that way. It's going to take up more bandwidth on your side and probably take a while to load. So the most efficient way to add a video is right here, record a video comment. So let me show you what that looks like. So here you can see it's doing the countdown and now it's recording the video. So now at this point, I can say who I am, what I'm studying here, what I have in plans for my future, and anything else I want to share. I want to talk about my pets, or I want to talk about how much I hate millipedes, or that I collect Christmas trees, whatever, just whatever you want to share. And then click stop recording. So you see it's working on it. It's trying to upload, and it's going to start an automatic preview. At this point, I can say who I am, what I'm studying here, what I have plans for my future, and anything else I want to share. Or do I collect Christmas trees, whatever, just whatever you want to share. And then click. So now I'm going to click save. I've listened to it. I'm not mortified by it. So I'm just going to click save. So I want to show you what happens next. After this uploads, you'll see that it's posted there because it will look just like this. Okay, now when you want to hear someone else's comment, just click it once and there it goes. Now I want to stop it, so I just clicked again. You can literally click in the box to start and stop. So let's say now I want to reply to this student, which is kind of weird since it's me, but I'm going to do it anyway. It's the same thing, except instead of a plus button, just click the reply arrow. It's that easy. And here we are again, opening up to this. You know what to do. We're going to click the video again. And then I'll record my reply. Blah, 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 blah. That's my reply. I'm going to click stop. The same thing's going to happen again. It's going to upload it. It's going to give me an automatic preview. And I'm going to save it. And so now there's a discussion and a reply here. You can reply to any of the students that you want to on here, or to me, whoever you'd like to reply to. VoiceThread is really that simple. I hope that you'll enjoy it this semester. It's something, like I said, we had in past semesters, and then thought we lost it, but it's suddenly here again. So I'd really like to use it while we've got it to kind of bridge the gap between not being on campus and kind of getting that feel like you are. If you have any problems with VoiceThread, don't hesitate to drop me a course message. I'm glad to help you through the tech issues that you might have.